Once upon a time, there was a king who loved sports and games. He liked his minister's funny comments and also enjoyed teasing him. Every day, the king and his minister would spend time together, talking and laughing. The minister was very clever and always had a quick response to the king's jokes. One afternoon, the king decided to play a prank on his minister. He pointed to a tree and said,
"I bet you can't climb that tree faster than a squirrel."
The minister, without missing a beat, smiled and replied,
"Your Majesty, I would rather stay on the ground, where I can catch you if you fall, while trying to outfly a bird."
The king burst into laughter, and the whole court joined in, admiring the minister's quick wit and cleverness. One day, he saw the minister coming to the palace on foot. He asked the minister,
"Why are you traveling on foot? You can use a horse to save time and energy."
The minister replied,
"Your Majesty, I am your servant. I have in my possession whatever you give me. I don't have a horse, so I have nothing to ride."
The king said,
"Go to the stable master and ask for a horse. I don't want to see you coming on foot to my palace anymore."
Meanwhile, the king tried to play a trick on the minister, just to make fun of him. The king said to himself,
"I should play a trick on my minister to see how he handles it. Let's see if he can come up with one of his witty replies, or feel ashamed."
He then called the stable master and instructed,
"Give him the weakest horse we have. I want to see how he manages this situation."
As the minister approached the stable, he was met by the stable master, handing over the reins of a thin, tired-looking horse. The stable master said,
"Here is your steed."
The minister replied,
"Ah, it seems this horse has already endured many journeys and trials."
The minister accepted the horse without any complaints. However, the horse failed to bear the troubles of traveling from the palace to the minister's home. It died that evening. The next day, the king again saw the minister coming to the palace on foot. He asked the minister,
"What happened? Why didn't you bring the horse? Is it not fast enough?"
The minister replied,
"The horse is very fast indeed. Yesterday, it had even crossed the vast distance between life and death."
The king was very pleased with the witty reply. and gave the minister a good and healthy new horse. Moral: a sharp mind and a good sense of humor can turn problems into solutions.